What's up, wanderers? Okay, we have made it to the top. It is quite the views. Like I was saying, we are, is this videoing? Yes, we are at the top, and I'm about to show you some views. Good amount of clouds right now. I guess this is like a weather station. I don't know, but we haven't had phone service the entire time we've been here, and we got up by this sucker, and we magically have phone service now. Some darn good views. Whew. We have eaten our lunch, and we're going to take a few shots and head back down.